discuss, fill in the blanks, choose the alternatives and some columns matching question answers of your first chapter, matter and its nature. Okay, I would like to request you to open page number 10. Okay, let us first come to D section. Complete the following. The first question is, the space anything occupies is called its dash. Okay, students, the space occupied by matter is called its volume. Okay, so answer is volume. Question number 2. The amount of matter anything contains is called its mass. Okay, the amount of matter contained in the substance is known as what? Mass. So answer is mass. Second one, third one, matter exists in dash, dash and dash states. You know very well, matter exists in 3 states. One is solid, other is liquid, and third one is gaseous. Solid, liquid, and gaseous states. Fourth one, the melting point of a solid is same as that of dash point of the corresponding liquids. I want to give you one example. Suppose ice, take the example of ice. Ice melts at 0 degree Celsius. Okay, students. Also, water freezes at 0 degree Celsius. So, the melting point of a solid is same as the freezing point of the corresponding liquid. Okay. So, answer is what? Freezing. Next question. And dash is a substance that cannot be broken into simpler substances by chemical means. Students, the element is the simple form of matter, and an element is a substance that cannot be broken into simpler substances by any means. So answer is an element. Next, a dash can be broken into simpler substances by chemical means. And answer to 6 is compound. Okay. The molecule. Next, come to question number 7. A molecule of an element is made up of atoms of open elements, means same element. So the answer is of same kind, students. Okay. The answer is same kind because the molecule open element of a particular element. Okay. Next, come to question number 8. A molecule of a dash is made up of atoms of 2 or more kinds. A molecule of a substance. Okay. Or you can write compound. Next, electron revolve around the dash in an atom. You know very well, electrons revolve around the nucleus in an atom. So answer to 9 is nucleus. Okay. So these are the answers of complete the followings. Okay. Next, come to question E. Choose the correct option in each of the following. Okay. So 4 options are given. You have to choose the correct option. The first question is, which of the following is not a matter? Options are given: a paper weight, a gold ring, an iron nail, and light. Student, option for question number 1 is D. Okay. Light. Light is not a matter. Okay, it is a form of energy. Next, question number 2. Ice melts at 0 degree Celsius. Water freezes at the same temperature 0 degree Celsius. So answer is option A, 0 degree Celsius. Next, mercury melts at minus 39 degrees Celsius and boils at 357 degrees Celsius. Ordinarily, it will exist in, mercury exists in liquid state. Also, you find it in the thermometer to measure the temperature. Okay, so answer is liquid state. 3, option B, liquid state. Okay. Next, come to question number 4. Which of the following substances is an element? Options are given: water, sand, oxygen, carbon dioxide. Which of the following substance is an element, students? Carbon dioxide is also a compound, sand is also compound, water is also compound. So correct option is C, oxygen. Okay. Next, which of the following substances is a compound? Options are given: carbon dioxide, hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur. You know very well, hydrogen, nitrogen and sulfur are elements, but carbon dioxide is a compound. So answer to 5, question number 5, option A, carbon dioxide. Question number 6. Which of the following is a mixture? Options are given: carbon dioxide, sulfur, nitrogen and air. Air is a mixture of all gases. So option is D for question number 6. Yeah. So MCQs are finished. Okay, let us come to tick the correct box. Some options are given. You have to tick whether it is correct or wrong. Question number 1. Do atoms normally exist independently but molecules do not? This is no, because molecule can exist independently, but all atoms do not exist independently. So answer is no. Okay, for 1 answer is no. Next, question number 2. Is an atom electrically neutral? Yes, an atom is an electrically neutral particle. Answer yes. Number 3. Does the proton have a negative charge? No, proton have positive charge. So answer is no. 4. Is neutron an electrically charged particle? N is neutron. So N, the neutron is the chargeless particle. Okay. So here question is given: is neutron is an electrically charged particle? Answer is no. Okay. Next, come to 5. Do all the nonmetals ordinarily exist in gaseous states? No, all metals do not exist ordinarily in gaseous states. Some metals are there, non-metals are there. They also exist in solid states also. Take the example of carbon and others. Okay, so answer is no. Okay, so question number F is completed. Next, come to question number G. Below each substance, in the first column write letters and numbers from the other columns to match. One has been done for you. Okay, 3 columns are given. In one columns, elements or compounds are written. In the second column, type is written, and in the third column, state is written. Okay, so one is done for you: sulfur. Sulfur is a non-metal, so option B is given. Okay, and it is in solid state, so sulfur you will write B1. So in this way we will fill the others. Next option is carbon dioxide. Okay, carbon dioxide, you know very well it is a gas, so it is non-metal. Non-metal means you have to write option B, and it is in which state? It is in gaseous state, so you have to write option 3. Okay, next come to chlorine. Okay, chlorine is also, students, it is a non-metal, so we have to write option B, and it is found in which states? Gaseous state. Chlorine also found in liquid state, but not in the normal temperature of pressure, temperature and pressure. In when the pressure is increased and temperature is lower down, it is found in liquid state. So if you want, you can write both liquid and gaseous, but normally you write in gaseous state. Okay, next come to mercury. Mercury. Okay, so mercury is a metal, so write A first, then it is found in which state? Liquid state, so next write 2. Next come to copper. Okay, copper is a metal, so you have to write A, and it is found in which state? Solid state, option 1. Next come to oxygen. Okay, oxygen is also a non-metal, so write B first. Next, it is found in gaseous state, so you have to write 3, B3. Okay, next come to gold. You know very well gold is a metal, so you have to write option A, and it is found in which state, student? It is found in solid state, so you write 1. Okay, so these are the complete the followings, choose the correct alternatives and tick the correct box and matching. Okay, in the next class I will be coming with some short type question answers related to this topic. Thank you.